is here, Kevin Dang. Welcome to Florida Talk by Kevin Dang right here in Johnny Dang Sharpharpstown Center. So today we will cover about the hater and the lover. Talk about the hater or the lover. Let me print up your guy. I just talk about, you see many young jewelers out there. They do their own business out there. And some people tell me, yeah, your guy business for so long and you some kind of look like a hater. They let you know that Kevin Dang here, I never be a hater. If you, for example, if you work for me before, you're my employees and you want to come out there, do your own business, I don't have any problem with that. I even support you to do it. But you have to do the right way. Because I cannot stop you coming out do your own business. The right way means like a gentleman. You do your own thing, doing the right business. The right means don't talk bad about us, about your ex-employer, in order for you to look good in front of other people. It's not the right way. I say, whatever you do in business, do the right way, do the good product, good service, and back up whatever you tell people is. I call that's a good business. And I'm not a hater. I support you no matter what, right? Because you do good and you become successful in business, I'm happy for you. At the end of the day, I'm happy for you. The market out there is a big market, right? You can get some extra share for yourself. Cool, I get no problem with it. I just focus on my own business, try to improve my product, try to improve my customer service so I can serve my client better and better. That's the way we do business. That's the way we've been in the business for so long, right? I've been here in the business almost like 30 years and I see the economy go up and down every single maybe 3, 4, 5 years. I see so many jewelers go bankrupt. They're out of the business. They come in here, they think they can make it, get into the game for 1, 2 years, they get out. But that's what I become the hater here. I hate the people jump in the business, try to steal the other people money and run away. I hate that shit. You cannot do that in this world. Do the right thing, make the right money. Don't try to go in the business, think you can make it, blah, blah, blah. And people, you think people, and get some deposit from the other people money and get some money from your own vendor. And after that, you run away. It's not the right way to do. Try to do it the right way. Keep your work, get the right direction to go, and be careful. You have to get your own investment. If you borrow anybody out there, borrow the money, pay a high interest, and you think they can make it, I don't think you can make it nowadays. It's very tough market. There's so many competitors. You look at around Houston, so many jewelers out there, right? If you want to stay in the business, you got to get your own investment. You get your own money. You get your own knowledge, and you get your own team. So everything together to make it work. That's what I mean. Let me make this way. In order for me to become successful in this kind of business, 3 things I'm talking about. First, longevity. I mean, how long you been in business? I've been in the business in 30 years. And if I do something wrong, I'm not perfect. Sometimes maybe we make a mistake, but we will fix it, we move it on. I've been here for so long, I take care of my customer. How I take care of my customer? I have to get my inventory. You see, I get a lot of inventory. Whatever the market out there, I always make this way. We look like a trendsetter, right? We trendsetter. We always create a new product so my client can look at it and they, people always want something new. I always go ahead of my competitor and make sure I get news inventory every day. The second thing is I provide you the customer service. The service, that's what I treat people like the way I want to treat it. I treat my customer how I treat them. First of all, I pick up the phone. I promise you to do something for you. I do that. And for example, I'm talking about the buyback program, right? Sometimes I promise you, hey, just buy this for today, and and for example, next week, next month, and when you need some money, you can bring it back. You can trade in for 100%. Whatever you spend is, and if you want to get your own money back, I offer you 80% back. But here I want to emphasize, not everything. I can provide you that kind of service. The buyback program, 100%, the buyback program or the trading program, it excluding the custom order. You know the custom order. When I make the custom order for you, they belong to yourself, one of the kinds. I cannot sell that one to anybody else. So the only thing I can get your buyback with 80% is your jewelry already made. For example, you come to my store, I get almost 2,000 items already made, ready to go. in my showcase. You come in the same day, you say, hey, I like that. I pick it up, you pay $10,000, you walk away, and 2 weeks later, hey, for whatever reason you don't like it, you bring it back, you get your 80% money back. If you don't want that, you say, hey, I want to upgrade, I want to trade in for something else, I give you 100% whatever the value you spend. In this case, it'd be $10,000. Let me tell you, emphasize one more time, just excluding your grill. Your grill is in custom order. Your grill I make for yourself. Your custom order, your pendant, the necklace I have to make for you, that's not included in my program. That's not including 80% back, because if I do, that's why I can do the business like that. It's no way, because your labor, your labor here in America already cost you 20, 30, 35% labor. If I take it in like that, I'm gonna lose, right? There are 3 things. That's what I base on to build my business. We've been here for so long already. Build my clients still loving me. I have to base on something, right? 3 things. First thing is, I have to build your trust. Your trust is whatever I promise to my client, I keep all my word. I say I buy it back for you with 100%, with 80%, I keep my word. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, your second thing is that's what I base on is you get a trust from your customer. So when you tell them something, you keep your word. You never lie to them. Never lie to client. Never lie, never. And your price, you have to base on your price. You have to give your client the best price as I can. I never ever overcharge my clients, and I believe that. I keep telling it over and over again. I never overcharge my clients, because I know some clients, they don't know your price. But I believe that if they don't know your price today, they will know your price tomorrow. The people are smart. Everybody's smart. If I hear what I base on, if I sell my client anything on jewelry item, I base on your gold, your value of gold, and the value of the diamond. I cannot look at your name and sell you whatever I want to sell your price, right? I cannot stick your price tag on you. I base on the value of gold, the value of diamond, and the value of labor. That's what I base on. And I make sure that even you go to my competitor, I believe you have to, if you're doing good business, you have to do, you're based on the same thing. Gold, diamond, labor, right? And make sure my competitor cannot beat my price. That's the key. So I give you your trust, I give you your good price, good customer service, and your third thing is, here, your longevity. When you treat customer well, you get your good product. Your customer will come back with you no matter what. And I've been here for 20 years already. 20-something years, almost 30 years. And I've been here for another 20 years. So whenever your guy need me, I'm here. I don't go anywhere else. So if you want to deal with somebody else, somebody new on the market, and you never know how long you're gonna be in the business, right? You might see them today, tomorrow you say bye, they disappear. So how can you find them? I'm here, and I believe I'm here for over 30 years. I've been here again for another 20 years. So that's what it is. Okay, today I try to clarify your buyback program again one more time. Okay, your buyback program, let me point it out. Buyback 80%, trade-in 100%. This program excluding Grillz. Grillz is custom order, a custom order for yourself. So I cannot get it back. Grillz, period. The custom order, a pendant, bracelet, what? If I do any kind of custom on your thing, I cannot offer you 80% cash back. I cannot, because that's a custom order. That's for you. I cannot sell your item to somebody else. But you still can trade in, but with less price, minus the labor. Not 80% buyback or with 100% trade in. No, excluding that. The only thing I can do that is with your item I already make on my showcase. I get about 2,000 items, and I buy back the same thing, 80% value with something I already make in my showcase, ready to go, not custom order. Okay, about including item in my buyback program in Grillz, custom order, custom watch, it doesn't mean that item doesn't work anything. You still can trade your Grillz in. I just mind not 80% cash back. I can give you the value of your gold and your diamond. So you just lose the value. And you say how much the value of the labor is. I say the labor somewhere between 30 to 40%. That's the labor cost. Okay, you still can trade in for something else. And your custom jewelry and your Grillz. So I should try to emphasize one more little point thing about buyback program. So when you trade in your jewelry, right, trade in for 100% the value of whatever you pay, you have to upgrade, not downgrade. If you buy something for 10,000, you have to go upgrade to something at least like 15,000. So I can give you $10,000 value. I mean, if you want me to give you 100%, the amount you pay for jewelry, you have to upgrade, not downgrade. Just try to clarify that. Okay, today I will go over about your jewelry market and your watch market. And you know we get brand new president coming in, and you see a past 2 weeks, everybody excited. Your stock market going up, everything going up a little bit, and you go down a little bit. You go price go down a little bit now, but still back up now. So basically, everybody excited. So you're asking me, hey Kevin, where the market go in terms of jewelry and watch? Let me talk about your watches. To what, in my opinion, is your custom watch, the bust-down watch like your Rolex like this. Your market, 2 years ago, I'm talking about like $25,000, $26,000. Now your price drop. The two-tone 41mm box paper, I talk right now, maybe your price $20,000. So you say a 30% drop, right? And to me, it will stay right there. And now the time for all the watch going up again. So if you get the money, you should buy watch or not. I think, hey, you make money right now. If you have the money, just buy whatever you can buy right. But it will go up because the market go up and everything going up. That's to my opinion. And should you buy gold? Yes, you always, if you get your money, always buy gold. Your gold even go down a little bit, it will go up eventually, and it will stay up. It will stay up. I think that the last time I expect to go 3,000, but it look like not. It will stay up. I think about 2,800 an ounce. So gold always good. Watch decent. You can buy the watch right now. It doesn't mean, and now if you get the money right now, it's a good time for you to buy the watch. Christmas coming up, New Year coming up, good time for you to buy the watch. But be careful when you buy your watch. You have to go to your right billboard. Your billboard you can trust. I see so many people out there bought the watch from somewhere else, and it end up fake. You don't want to buy the fake watch, man. Now you make the fake like real. You know what the billboard overseas, the Chinese billboard, whatever you do is you replica watch, you make like 100% like real. Like this, they make replica exactly the same thing for half price, not even half price. Your sky dweller, I say 20,000, they say for you like 1,500. When you heard something $20,000 value, you pay for 1,500, and you know what's up. So if you think it's still real, hey, it's your own thing. I get no comment about that. All right, that's where it goes. All right, about your buyback and trading about your watch. If you buy your blend chain watch from me like this, just blend chain, no diamond, yes, you can. When you upgrade it, you get 100% your value. But you don't want to sell it back, I always buy it back for you, no problem. 80% whatever you want to, whatever you pay for. But a custom watch, like ISA watch, right? ISA watch, it depends on if I got somebody watch ready to get a custom, and if ready custom, I can order, I can give you 100% trading upgrade or 80% money back guarantee, whatever already made. So about the watch. All right, you get the new president, Donald Trump, in the office. Oh yeah, everybody get excited. I believe too. I always think positive. I think from now to the next 4 years, we will get better. America will get better, right? With the help of new president, Donald Trump. So, everybody excited. So now nothing to worry about. Keep it up, doing your good business, make some money from now on. And I think the bottom line from the economy, now it's over. Now stock go back up. If they get the money, buy gold, buy diamond, buy crypto. Crypto will go up, to let you know. My crypto go up like 50% in the last 2 weeks, to let your guy know. Just share with you. Buy crypto. Yes, sir. So again, today I will cover a little bit about your budget for my jewelry. I mean the price range. Christmas, New Year, right at the corner. And we just added to our collection a lower budget item. So for you can buy the gift for your loved one. The price range from $100 to $5,000. I get all the items ready. A small ring, small bracelet, earring, small custom pendant nameplate, something $100, $200, I get all for you. We just put that back on our new selection. Just please come in, check it out, and support us. If you want to buy jewelry and you like me, you like my company service, and you want to support us, you want to buy something from us, yes, if your guy can come by my store, awesome. I love to see you, and you can buy whatever we got in here in the store. Or if you cannot come to the store, you can buy from my online website, floridandco.com, or you can go to my Instagram, and you get the link there for you, and whatever you like, you can click on that link and you buy straight from there. Okay, today I will explain to you guys about your jewelry, your budget, different budget for my jewelry. Today I just focus on that as an example. If it's a 10 tennis bracelet. If you buy something just simple like that, just tennis bracelet, in this case, for example, this is just $1,000 because to go with 14 karat and go to about 2 karat diamond. That's why $1,000. And something like this, still 14 karat, made it heavier in terms of gold. And in terms of karat, how many karat here? Let me see. This one going to be 4.3 karat, my double size. So this is $1,000 and this is going to be $5,000. Right? And if you want something even bigger, I'm talking about like this, with big boys, heavy, or like 500 grams of gold and almost like, 35 karat. You have to pay more, right? So 1,000, 5,000, and we're talking about $20,000. So all based on your gold weight, the diamond weight, your diamond quality, and your price. So I get all price range from $1,000 to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. Yes, sir. We're very excited. New president. I have to learn something from our new president also. We here at Florida Dang & Co. It's Johnny Dang here in Sharpharpstown. I tell my billboard, my team, try to improve the customer service. New year, new thing. Usually we keep in touch with the customer. Sometimes we call them, we text them, anything new item coming in, anything good deal, we're gonna call, look out for my client, right? Anything new, anything good price, good deal. We will look out for them. But at the same time, and when your guy doing business with us, please give our company a review. Your reviews, Google review, Yelp review, will help us improve your service. Will help us treat your guy, provide better service for your guy. So whenever you do any business with us, please give us the reviews. That's very helpful to me because, sometimes I travel, I look over so many billboards, so many employees, my team, I don't know how my team do, but the reviews help me to improve my quality of service. So please give us the reviews whenever you can. Thank you so much.